welcome back to our RecordsKeeper.AI exploration series. Today we're diving into generating detailed reports to monitor document activity and team usage. New to the platform? Sign up free and get a 3-day trial, no strings attached. After logging in, go to the main RecordsKeeper.AI's dashboard. From side menu, click Analytics and Reports. While Analytics gives you a broad view, Reports lets you track who's doing what with your documents. Click Generate Report to create, schedule, or use templates. Let's create one called Internal Assessment for May 2025. Choose from report types like access, edit, modification, deletion, and upload. For example, an access report lets you check user permissions, unauthorized attempts, and sharing activities. Select relevant departments like finance, or HR. Pick document categories and set your time frame. Month to date, quarter, or year. Prepper Excel format. Just check the box and hit generate. The system will begin processing while you move on to other tasks, and you'll receive an email notification once your report is ready. When you download the report, you'll see detailed information, including IP addresses, file locations, user actions, and timestamps, giving you complete transparency into your document workflows. Amazing. In our next video, we'll show you how to schedule automated reports so you can stay ahead without lifting a finger. Stay tuned.